Hello and welcome back to CSharp Simplified. In the last video, we wrote our first CSharp program and printed the hello world. Now it's time to learn the most important concept in any programming language, which is variables and data type. By the end of this video, I will make sure you will understand how to store data like numbers and text inside your program and use them to make your code much more powerful. Think of variables as a box that stores information. You can put something inside it like a number or a word and use it later. For example, if you want your program to remember your age or your name, you can use variable. In C Sharp, you must tell the computer what type of data the variable will hold. That's where data types come in. Let's look at some basic data types in C Sharp. These are few data types in C Sharp. Int, which is integers, is used for whole numbers like 10 or 200. Double are used for numbers with decimals like 3.14 or 1.2. Booleans or bool are used for true and false. Yeah, like that's all. String is used for text like hello. But in string, we also need to add the dialog mark to make it a string variable. Now, let's look at few examples of data types and how do we use them in different places. Here you can see a, a website program is which is a C-sharp compiler. I've written few data types and their variable here. Let's try to uncover it. int age so equals to 15. So int variable stands for integers and the variable data type I've given is age. So 15 is the set of int age. So the age has been given a specific value of 15. We also need to add an equal to sign. The equal to symbol means assign this value to the variable. So the value of 15 is assigned to age. As we can see for double pi 3.14. String name, my name, which is Satvik. Bool is student, true. Now these are just few examples of how the computer has been given the variables. Now let's try to use them with code. Let's make a small program. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna write console.WriteLine. If you don't know what console.WriteLine is, I recommend you to watch the last video which I have created. Hello plus name. Wait a second. Yeah, that must do it. So if I run this now, hello Satvik. This is how I've given the variable name value of Satvik, and if I write it at console.WriteLine, so it will output my name after the word I have written. Let's see one more example. Console.WriteLine. You are plus. Now, if we run this, you can see that it has an output of you are 15 years. This is how creating variables help us. And this is how it makes the program much more simple to understand. That's it for today. See you in the next one.